Move the tool head and manually press the cutter handle to cut off the consumable filament. Remove the front cover of the tool head. Pinch the silicone sleeve on both sides and remove it downwards. Push the hot end wrench upward to release the latch hook. Pinch the hot end wrench and pull out the integrated hot end assembly outward. If the hot end is too tightly assembled with the heating component and cannot be disassembled, set the hot end temperature to 100 C on the screen page, and then try to remove the hot end. Pinch the hot end wrench and install the new hot end assembly. Hook the latch onto the upper notch and press down the hot end wrench to secure the latch hook. Install the silicone sleeve. Reinstall the front cover of the tool head. Check if the specifications of the new hot end match the machine settings. Click Settings. Print Settings. Nozzle. You can view and modify the machine nozzle's parameters to ensure consistency before continuing to use.